There was a time when the smallest thing would ruin my whole day. One text, one comment, one look from someone I barely even knew, and I'd spiral, overthink it, replay it, let it live in my head rent-free. I'd act strong on the outside, but inside, I was fragile, easily triggered, easily shaken, until one habit changed everything. A habit that rewired my reactions, sharpened my self-control, and made me emotionally unbreakable. Let's talk about it. Here's the hard truth. You don't become strong by pretending you're not hurt. You become strong by training your response to pain. Most people are emotional puppets. They get pulled in every direction by the world around them. Triggered by opinions, offended by silence, crushed by rejection. They feel everything and control nothing. But the people who can stay calm in chaos, who can stand still while everyone else loses it, they've trained a habit, and it starts here. The habit. Reflect before you react. That's it. One simple rule, but it changes everything. When something triggers you, pause. Don't respond. Don't explain. Don't defend. Just sit with it. Let the first wave pass. Because that first wave, it's always emotional, always messy, always loud. But it's not the truth. It's not the real you. It's the version of you that's reactive, impulsive, and temporary. And once you stop reacting to it, you start taking control of your life. Step 1. Learn to sit in discomfort. Most people can't do this. The second they feel awkward, rejected, criticized, they lash out, they vent, they panic, they run. But emotional strength isn't about running from feelings. It's about sitting with them, without letting them own you. Feel the anger, but don't become it. Feel the pain, but don't collapse under it. Let it come. Let it pass. Stay grounded. That's the difference between being human and being unshakable. Step 2. Control the narrative in your head. Here's what I realized. The situation isn't what breaks you. Your story about it does. They didn't text back? That doesn't mean you're unworthy. They criticized you? That doesn't mean they're right. They left? That doesn't mean you're broken. I started rewriting the narrative in real time, not lying to myself, but choosing empowering interpretations. Because if your inner voice is your worst enemy, you'll never be at peace, no matter how strong you look on the outside. Step 3. Set emotional boundaries like your life depends on it. Not everyone deserves access to your emotions. Not every opinion deserves a response. Not every invitation to drama needs to be accepted. Cool people? Mentally tough people, they protect their peace ruthlessly. Someone tries to start drama, no reaction. Someone disrespects you, you don't scream, you disappear. Someone misunderstands you, you don't over-explain, you move in silence. Because peace is power, and keeping it, that's strength. Step 4, do hard things on purpose. Here's what most people don't realize. Emotional resilience doesn't come from comfort. It comes from voluntary discomfort. Cold showers, difficult workouts, early mornings, awkward conversations. These are reps, mental reps. Every time you do something hard when you don't feel like it, you teach your brain, I don't run, I don't flinch, I can handle it. And slowly, the storms get quieter. The triggers lose power. The emotions still come, but they don't control you anymore. Final step. You become dangerous when you master stillness. The world teaches you to react, to respond fast, to clap back, to be loud. But real power, real presence, that comes from stillness. When you don't over-explain, when you don't chase closure, when you don't need to be understood, you sit, calm, certain, untouched. And people don't know what to do with you. They can't shake you, can't provoke you, can't reach that quiet place inside you because it's yours now, fully. That's emotional strength. And it's built, not gifted. So yeah, I became mentally strong, not because I was motivated, not because I was fearless, but because I trained one habit: pause, reflect, then respond if it's even worth it. That habit changed my life, and it'll change yours too. Now go train it, one emotion at a time.